Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see averages. What is average? Average is a single value that represent a group of numbers. Okay? It tells us the typical value in the group. Okay? So average is equal to the sum of values divided by number of values. In simple words, average is the total of all values, okay? Total of all values divided by the number of values, okay? It gives one value that represents the whole group, okay? That is called average. So, let's see quick drill. Okay. Find the average of 4196. So, how to find out this? First, we have to add. So, there's a total sum of the values. So, first we have to add this. 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6. Okay. First, we have to add this. So, answer is 20. So, this answer is divided by the number of values 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 20 divided by 4. Okay. How much? 5. Understood? This is the average of this group. Understood? Next, B. 40, 10, 30, 20. 40 plus 10 plus 30 plus 20. So, how much is 100? 100 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Okay? Understood the averages? Okay? This is how we have to find the average. Let's start practice 3. Find the average of these sets of numbers. A. 37, 61, 49, 10, 13. First, what to do? First, we have to make a total of this. Okay. We have to add all these numbers. A. 37 plus 61 plus 49 plus 10 plus 13. You have to add this. Okay. So 170. 170 170 is divided by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. Make a division. Okay. So answer is 34. Okay, this is 1, this is 5, this is 3. 5 3s are 15. So answer is 13. So average of these 5 is a 34. Okay, this is how we have to find out the average. Okay. Next B, 59, 59, 24, 87, 16, 59. So 59, we have to add all the numbers. Then we have to divide the numbers. 59 plus 24 plus 87 plus 16 plus 59. 245. So 245 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. So answer is 49. Understood? So the remaining is C, D, E as the homework. Do it yourself. Okay? Or else check it out in my WhatsApp channel. The link of my WhatsApp channel is in my description. Okay? Next, Kavita helps by reading books to her grandmother, who has difficulty in reading. She read for 60, 40, 50, 20, and 30 minutes in 5 days. Find the average time in minutes. Kavita spent a day reading to her grandmother. Okay. So how many minutes she used to read? First, we have to add all the minutes. Okay. 60, 60, 40, 50, 20, and 30. Add these minutes. Okay. So total 200 minutes. How many days? 5 days. So 200 divided by 5. Okay. So answer is 40 minutes. Per day she used to read a 40 minutes. Okay, average. Next, the ages of 5 teachers in a school are in years 26, 30, 44, 28, 52. Find their average age. So add 26 plus 30 plus 44 plus 28 plus 52. Add all this. Okay. 180. Total 180. How many teachers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 180 divided by 5. So answer is 36 years. Understood? Next, fourth, an electrician earned an average amount of rupees 988 per day, working 26 days. What was the total amount he earned? So, the average amount is rupees 988, right? Average amount rupees 988 per day. Working how many days? 26. What was the total amount he earned? So multiply this. Okay. So rupees 25,688. So total amount of rupees he earned is 25,688. Understood? Next, fifth. Five friends Five friends scored the following marks in maths: 63, 70, 84, 95, 78. Find the average marks they scored. How many of them scored above the average mark? So, first we have to find out the 63, 70, 84, 95, 78. Add this. Okay. 390 divided by 5. So the average marks they scored is 78. Okay. How many of them scored above the average marks? Who scored above the average marks? 78. Above 78 is 84 and 95. So answer 2. Two friends scored above the average marks. Understood? For this, we finished our averages practice 3. Tomorrow we will see unitary method. Okay? Thank you.